Really happy that the government shutdown has ended so that I am able to come over here and welcome you on behalf of the Johnson Space Center. I want to apologize for those of y'all that are here for the cancellation of the tours that were originally planned. Many might have been interested in seeing our capabilities as much as we enjoy being able to show what capabilities we have available for the community. But we simply are unable to accommodate visitors this soon after coming off of furlough. I do want to also say that we're extremely supportive of SBAG and its importance in exploration, both in articulating scientific priorities as well as opportunities, whether it's remote sensing, observation, direct interaction, sample return, or even the potential for possibilities for human missions. We are committed to small body exploration as it relates to solar system exploration in general. Just thought I'd let you know a little bit while we're talking about sample return, since that is one of the two main commitments of the Johnson Space Center along with human exploration. Our astromaterials curation responsibility is one of those activities that is an accepted activity during a government shutdown. So we are able to continue maintaining the physical security and the scientific integrity of all of our samples. And our contracts were forward funded to ensure that the facilities and services that are required to maintain security and integrity of the samples remained available, whether it's maintaining clean rooms, the facility operations, the responding to anomalies, those kinds of things. So with that, I want to welcome you. This is an important activity, and I'm pleased to see so many involved in this kind of activity. Hope you have a good meeting, and if there are any particular questions, I'm going to have to come back over to JSC in a bit and complete making sure everything comes off of furlough well. You take a couple of questions.
Credit the president and my name and Andy Rifkin, John Thompson, the president. Thank you for having us, everyone. Is there anything you can say about LPSC that you are able to share? I understand that I saw a tweet a couple days ago about how the plan is to keep going. I don't know if you'd like to share more specifics.
I don't actually have anything that I can share more specifically other than the fact that we are committed to having LPSC as scheduled. There are a variety of things that we have been doing to ensure the LPI is very good at doing what they can to continue working things that need to be worked. And so I don't foresee any major hiccups. There are likely to be scrambles, people scrambling around to get things done. But everyone who's involved is completely committed, and there's always scrambles that pop up that we have to work. So not that out of the ordinary. It would just be a next step in complexity scrambling that will have to happen, but it's probably going to be the duck analogy. There's the little feet under the water are going to go real fast, but most people attending LPSC wouldn't know that.
Hi, Tim Swindle2. So is there anything you can tell me, or tell us about how JSC is dealing with the fact that there might be something?
Yeah, that's a tricky question. I can tell you what I know, and I can tell you about what JSC is doing, but this isn't in any way a official NASA response. It's what I know and what the center is doing. We, before the government shutdown in December, in anticipation of doing sort of your normal contingency that you would do in terms of board funding contracts. And we're doing the same thing now. Because we're under continuing resolution, the Treasury is funding us the 8 weeks of money that are necessary for continuing the work, which is the 5 weeks that have passed that we owe money for contractors that have been doing work, and then the 3 weeks between now and February 15th. In planning for contingencies, doing what-if analysis, we absolutely are looking towards making sure that the contracts are funded what they are owed already, and then also forward funding what we can for an essential shutdown. There's a lot of things that happen in terms of defining priorities and while maintaining this integrity, actually going through and prioritize where money needs to go at particular points. And so we are actively doing that, looking toward having resilience for the future as well as recovery from what we just experienced.
Are there other questions in the room or on Adobe Connect? And those of you who are on Adobe Connect, please. Okay, let's try again. Those of you who are on Adobe Connect, please don't be shy about asking questions. We feel like this mic is kind of pain. Okay. All right. Thank you, Aaron.
Thank you very much.
So to begin this kind of the more meat of the meeting, we're starting off with our early career presentation. NASA very kindly has funded 2 early career travel grants. And for those who aren't aware, this is fully funded travel for folks that are in grad